Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we have learned how to import an existing file in Microsoft Access. In today's video, we will learn how to create query. Query is basically a question which we ask from our database. When we want to filter out specific information, specific data from our database, we create query. First of all, I will right click on this table so that I can rename it because this is a bit difficult name. So I have clicked on rename and I am changing the table name with products. So you can see that the table name is changed. Now I will explain you how to create query. For this we will click on create. We have different methods to create the query. First of all, we will click on query wizard. We will go with this default one, simple query wizard. I will click on OK. From here, the fields which we want to see as a result of our query, we can select. We can choose one by one. So I have chosen 5 fields. If I want to delete any field, so I can click on this button. So you will see that this has been deleted from here. So I have chosen these 5 fields which I want to see as a result of my query. So I will click on next. Would you like a detail or summary query? Yeah, we want to see the detail. Next. Here we can give name to our query. I am going with the default one, products query. This is okay. Open the query to view information, and the second option is modify the query design. So I will go with the default one. I will click on finish, and you can see here the result of query. If I click on this table, so you can see more fields in table, but when I click on query, you can see the selected fields has been retrieved as a result of our query. So query is basically to see the specific data from our table, from our database. So this is the simple query which we have created. Now I will tell you how to add different criteria while creating the query. Let me start from the beginning again. I will create another query. We will select the query wizard. I will go with the default one, but make sure that from here table should be selected because we want to create the query on the basis of table. So we will use the table data. So I have selected the table again, and again I will click on query wizard. Okay, the same 5 fields I have chosen. Then I will proceed in the same way. Next, so product query, and this is product query 2 we can say, and finish. Now the result of this query and query 2 are same, but I want to make some modification in that. For that I will go into the design view. I will click on the home tab, then I will go to this view option. We will click on design view. So here you can see that the table has been added and these 5 fields has been retrieved as we have created the query already. So for example, I want to see here the products of Fly Surfer company only. So under the make, I will write the name of this company. Okay, in front of criteria we will write Fly Surfer. So this is the criteria. We will run this query. So we will see only the records where the company is Fly Surfer, where the make is Fly Surfer will be retrieved as a result of our query. So there are 2 ways to run the query. First one is you go on to view button and click on datasheet view. Okay. The other one is click on design and click on run. So I have chosen the design option and I will click on run. So basically I have done a little mistake. I should write this under the make. I have written actually under ID. So fly surfer. Now I will run the query and you can see the result of the query. You can see here all the products which are made by only this manufacturer, this company, where the make is fly surfer. Those result has been retrieved. So this is the one criteria which we have added in our query. We can create another query. We can change the criteria in the same query. For this we will go into the design view. Instead of fly surfer, I will write now ozone. So this is another manufacturer. When I will click on this, you can see now only the products which are manufactured by ozone company has been retrieved. So this was the criteria against manufacturer. If I want to add the criteria against size, for example, I want to write here size greater than 10. So now the result will be retrieved against size. When I will run, you can see here all the values are greater than 10. Yeah, none of the value is equal to or less than 10. So all of the values which have been retrieved as a result of query are greater than 10. So similarly we can make the modification here, like for example if I want to see the size exactly 12, so I will run on query again. You can see here now the size is exactly 12. So the criteria this time is 12.